Hello everyone. In a previous video we shot and talked about a little bit of possibilities of why you might not be getting good airflow over your face. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So today we're working on a 2019 Jeep Cherokee. So I just thought I'd show you what we found. I'll take the camera for a minute. So this is under the dash, and we removed a panel that was right here. And right there you can see this is the cabin air filter, and it's sticking out a little bit. So somebody attempted to replace it, and when they did, looks like they broke a tab here, but the cover is missing. And so what we have on this car is the air, instead of blowing to the face, is sneaking out here. We're losing airflow through the ventilation system. So all we have to do is get a cabin air filter installed in there properly, and then we'll put a new cover back on it, and it will be all set to go. So I hope you found this a little bit interesting, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.